Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Mazda 3 SB25 hatchback, stock reference number 5620. The shape runs from the 11th month 2013 through to the 2nd month 2019. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has no damage, left rear door has one small dent, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tailgate appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has one small dent, right front door has no damage, right power door mirror has some scratches, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, command controls, climate control, heater controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.